Well, welcome back again. The last post about the Bankstown Hospital redevelopment. There's the wall was painted black. From a distance I noticed there's witches cones up here. So I just want to see what other developments they've got. So at the moment the wall goes all the way up to the car park entrance on Raw Avenue next to the Bankstown TAFE. There was yesterday a temporary fence there. Okay, so they've got some more wooden palings. So it actually looks like they're going to be extending this what do you call it, fence all the way across here. So maybe the next one update will be more posts in the ground. And again as well, yesterday they had these wooden posts in the ground, and now they've actually put the horizontal wood slabs, whatever you would call it. Let's take that a quick look. So again, concreted to the ground in front of the metal fencing. So here you can see the horizontal wood. They put more wood behind the bus stop. And okay, if you can see here behind this signage, they've actually also concreted into the ground the wooden posts. I believe that's because the metal fence goes straight to the concrete, and obviously the concrete's council land, so they couldn't do that. Might have been a little bit of room, but it would have been tight. Kids going all the way up. Yeah, again, it's all been fixed in the ground with concrete. There we go. Inside the grounds there, you can see there's boards, and again a new development here. So they have concrete is on the footpath. We've got a fence will be going up on the footpath tomorrow or over the weekend. There we go, all the way up. Okay, alright. Stay tuned for another video with more updates as the progress goes with the new Bankstown Hospital. Don't forget to give me a subscribe and a comment and a like if you like my videos. Thank you.